A city which has been struggling with the COVID numbers is Mumbai, and 101% spike has been seen in the number of new cases in the month of September in Mumbai. If you look at the number of new cases from 1st September to 28th September, 53,828 new cases have been reported. And if you look at the number of new cases from 1st August to 28th August. So a month back, it was 26,753. So this gap or this jump is 101, I beg your pardon, 101% increase in the number of new cases, which is a worrying pattern for Mumbai, where we were hoping that the peak would be passed and there would be a control on the numbers. Now, what's exactly happening in Mumbai and how it's going to affect people? Joining us for this discussion is Dr. Hemant Deshmukh. He is Dean of KEM Hospital. Thank you very much, Dr. Deshmukh, for speaking to NDTV. This spike that we are seeing from August to September is massive. We do understand the number of tests have also gone up, but I doubt that the increase in the test is in any way proportional to the increase in number of fresh cases.
Good morning. The whole idea about increasing the testing facility is to isolate the patients or isolate the citizens of Mumbai to a safe place where they are no more infectious to other citizens of Mumbai. So the whole idea of increasing the number of testing, the more you test, the more positive cases you are going to detect in the city of Mumbai or Maharashtra. And we want to really increase the testing facilities so that whosoever is mildly symptomatic or pre-symptomatic also gets the maximum benefit of a preventive measure that the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai and the government of Maharashtra is undertaking with their new mission that is called as माझं कुटुंब माझी जबाबदारी. So the whole idea about increasing numbers in Mumbai or Maharashtra, it really does not matter because the number of critical patients is not going to proportionally increase. What we are trying to do is decrease the number of critical patients and decrease the number for the need of admission into a critical bed. So all pre-symptomatic, asymptomatic patients will be isolated by testing, and the more you test, more you segregate, and that's how you really decrease the spread of this infectious disease that is COVID-19.
Right, Doctor. Also, I do understand that the new cases that are coming in are might be most of them asymptomatic, but also the younger people are getting more infected now. Not that, younger people getting infected means it's a very bad thing. Because unlock has happened, people are going out and they will be exposed, they're working. But the fact that the infection keeps spreading, this is going to pose a challenge for our healthcare facilities, as a number of vulnerable people will get exposed as well. It will be higher.
Yes. Yeah, that's very true, because the more number of people go outdoors. But the basic concern about COVID-19 rests on three pillars. That is, you have to isolate, you have to do more testing. Whatever you do it outdoors rather than doing it indoors. Do it outdoors so that the environment is open for the virus. And you have to go out of the indoor stadia or out of the houses so that whatever functions, whatever activity you do is almost always outdoors. Now, apart from being outdoors, the criteria about prevention of the disease is wearing mask and keep a distance of 6 feet from each other, do all the activities outdoor, wear a mask. Now, this is very predominantly important, because without these, not going to arrest this COVID-19 infection spreading to your neighbor, your society members, your population at large, and the more vulnerable people who are likely to succumb to the disease.
Right, absolutely. We need to protect the vulnerable population of the city. Doctor, so you are saying that testing is one of the reasons that the number of cases are increasing. Can we expect now that the tests will increase even more? I mean, this should not cause a fear amongst the administration that, testing might expose the extent of the spread in the community.
No, the administration itself is with the whole idea that you do more testing for the simple reason that if you do more testing, in fact, what we have started doing is the relative or a person or an attendant who gets the patient also gets tested. So you really stop infection at the level of the home or at the level of the hospital entrance itself, because the more testing you do for each patient or each symptomatic patient, you are trying to test at least 15 who are in contact with them. So testing and contact tracing are going to be the main pillars of prevention of this COVID-19 infection to the vulnerable population.
Right. Thank you very much for speaking with NDTV, Doctor.